how to gift to a Bright Start 529 account using Ugift. Looking to give a meaningful gift that can support a child's future college dreams? With Bright Start 529's Ugift tool, contributing to a loved one's 529 account is simple and secure. Step 1. Go to ugift529.com. Step 2. Type in the beneficiary's Ugift code and click Give a Gift. Don't have a code? No problem. Just ask the account owner. The account owner can find the code by logging into their Bright Start 529 account and clicking Share Ugift Code from the My Accounts page. Step 3. Once you've entered the code, double-check that the student and account owner information is correct. Step 4. Decide how much you would like to contribute. Don't forget, every dollar can make a difference. Step 5. Enter your name and contact details, then click Continue. Don't forget to click Create a Gift Giver profile if you want to be able to view your gift history and easily gift to the same beneficiary in the future. Step 6. Input your checking or savings account information and click Continue. Before sending your gift, review everything. Once you've read and agreed to the terms and conditions, click Give Gift. That's it! You've made a thoughtful and impactful contribution toward a loved one's future education. Thanks for gifting with Bright Start 529 and helping make dreams a little more achievable.